So we will just make the base that is in the top view. So we will type in ellipse and I'll give the center. I want to define the center. So that will be 0, comma 0, comma 0. And now I just want to define the major axis, like the major radius. So in this case, I'm having 500 feet. So I'll define this as 250. Okay, so this will be like 500 feet. And now I want to define the short one, that is 250 feet. So 250 divided by 2, that is 125. So that will be my 125. Now, in order to create the loft or use the loft command, I have to create something in the z-axis. Uh, so what I will do is I'll draw an ellipse again, and in this one I'll do the same center. Now, while defining the center, I want to create it at a certain height, which is 40 feet. So, or basically the dome height, which is 40 feet. So I will create one more small ellipse, and the center of that ellipse will be 0, comma 0, comma the height, that is the 40 feet, and then I will define the long major axis radius. So let's just say it's about 5 feet total diameter. So it will be like 2.5 feet as the radius. Now I want to define the minor axis, and let's say the minor axis total radius is about 2.5 feet. So this will be like 1.25. Okay, so you can see like there is a very tiny one created. Now this is just to be able to use the loft command, because loft command needs like two objects or two profile. So one at the big one, the base, and the one at the top. So that's the whole reason. So this will be loft. Then we'll punch the loft command, and we will select the bottom one, the base, and then we will select the top profile and hit enter. And we'll just say this. And now we will go and check in the southeast isometric. So this is our dome. Now let's say I want to check the volume. So I will say mass, prop, select the object, and hit enter. So now this is the volume. Uh, so this is in, since the units are in feet, so this is in cubic feet. So this is the cubic feet of that.